Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and click the notification bell to see when our next video comes out. Hey guys, it's Campbell and Sarah back with another video, and today you see that we're outside. We're going to be doing the zip line challenge, and how this works is we're going to be doing a lot of challenges on the zip line, so it's pretty easy to understand. But without further ado, let's get into the video. You get a perfect headshot of Sarah's head. Anyways, the first one's a straddle, so go ahead, straddle in the air. It's my turn, and I'm going to do the straddle this time. All right, ready? Oh gosh, okay.
Alright, so it's Campbell's turn, and she's doing the backwards straddle.
I've never done this, so I don't know how it's going to work. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Alright guys, so it's Sarah's turn, and this time we're going to see how far we can go back. So she's going to go to that tree right there, but then she's going to go back and see how far she can go. Whoever goes farthest back wins. So go ahead, Sarah. You're allowed to reach your feet back.
Good job. Go.
Okay, let's do this.
Did I beat you?
Yep, I did. All right.
Dang it.
Guys, so this time we're gonna do whoever can keep their feet in like or legs are like in a popcorn stance or whatever. So go ahead, Sarah. Whole way. Like that. She's still doing it, you just can't see it. Alrighty, you did it. Good job.
It's Campbell's turn to do the popcorn stance thing. So, go. Woo! Did it the whole way. Good job.
Alright guys, since this is the last round, you're allowed to do whatever you want. So go ahead, Sarah. She's gonna bounce and then go into straddle. If she can. I can't do that. I don't know why, but. Alrighty.
Alright, guys. So it's Campbell's turn.
I'm going to do this twist thing, and I don't know what's going to happen. So, yeah, it's the last round. Woo. Okay, go.
Good job.
That was fun.
All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like it, subscribe up there, and click the notification bell to see when our next video comes out.
Bye.
I love y'all. Bye.